Clinical diagnostic companies are always working toward the next great idea. And with advances in science, proprietary direct-to-consumer testing is being developed faster than ever. But getting your product to market can be challenging. By leveraging our diverse product portfolio and dedicated kitting advisors, Cardinal Health can help you develop a customized collection kit from inception to delivery. Our team can help you choose ideal components and share best practices to bring your vision to life. And we can help facilitate the branding for your kit, ensuring the packaging showcases your company and meets your marketing guidelines. Our personalized services allow you to develop a kit that meets necessary testing protocols. Using established barcode systems, requisition forms, or traceability standards, we work tirelessly to integrate your kit into existing workflows. Our team can adapt to your needs and solve your unique challenges. Whether you need individual kits or cases by the pallet load, we can integrate your encryption-based ordering with our fulfillment solutions. And with our expansive distribution network, we can ship to your customers across the street or across the country. With a proven track record, Cardinal Health is ready to help bring your vision to life.